This is a tutorial talking about how to remove the center icon on a QR code that you created. In this case, using Google Chrome to do that. I'm using Publisher and Paint 3D. So first you open Publisher, and then you open a blank canvas. Once that's done, you insert as a picture the QR code that you generated. I pre-generated this, of course, so that it didn't have to take time. Now you can resize the QR code to whatever size you want it to be. Once that's done, you want to insert a text box over the icon in the middle. So you carefully draw that in there so that you don't cover up any of the dots that are necessary for the QR code. Once that's done, you right-click in the box you created, select Format Text Box, and on the color option for fill color, I select white, and that effectively blanks out the icon that's in the middle. So then I go to export, not save, export it as a PNG file, PNG. Give it my file name. I usually put things on the desktop, makes them easy to find later. Save it, of course. Okay, when Publisher does an export like that, it exports the whole page, so it needs to be cropped down. So now I'm going to open it with Paint 3D, which is built into Windows. I select the crop icon, and then I drag the handles down to where just the QR code is highlighted. And click Done, and I save it. I generally just pick Save and save it over the top of what my export was. Now you can put anything you want there, so this time we're going to go through the same process, and we're going to insert a picture on top of the center of the QR code there. What I've chosen, I just went out online, I grabbed anything I could use. Got this in CBN, I'm going to downsize it, make it smaller. Get it to fit just right. Then I'll drag it over on top of the center of the QR code where the dragon, dinosaur, whatever that thing is. Then I will export this new QR code. Again, choosing the PNG format extension, saving it with a new name because I don't want to overwrite the first one I did. And then I load it back into Paint again as I did before. Crop it down to the size of just the QR code and save it. And now I've replaced the center icon with an icon of my desire, and it can be color, it can be whatever you want to put in there. And now you've changed the center of the QR code to whatever you want it to be, and you've gotten rid of what was in there. Hope this helps. Hope it's a help to you. This is Wes Brockway on a tutorial of how to change the icon in the middle of a QR code.